Hello friends, welcome back. In the previous video, we have seen how to build a simple Hello World application using Gradio within our VS Code. Another beauty of Gradio is we can build these machine learning apps within the Jupyter notebooks. So in this video, I am going to show you how we can do that within the Jupyter notebook. So let's move on to the Jupyter notebook. So you can see here, I have an empty Jupyter notebook here. And first thing first, let's define a function. Okay, so since we are going to develop a sum of two numbers application, so I will define a function called the sum of two. Okay, you can give any name that you want, and this will take two values as an input and will return a plus b. It's a very simple function, guys. Okay, if you want to have a more complex function, you can do that. Okay, I'm just running this code, and after that, the same thing. First thing, we need to import the Gradio. Okay, and after importing the Gradio, what you can do is you have to create the canvas that we have done in our previous class as well. That is an interface. Okay, gradient interface we have to create. So what I will do is Gradio dot interface. Okay, and to this interface we need to pass the function name. Okay, we need to pass the function name that we want, and here in this case it is a sum of two. And comma after that. Okay, after that, what is the expected input here? I mean, what type of data we are going to pass to this function called sum of two? So here in this case we have two input values. So in earlier case, if you remember, if let me open that file as well and show it to you. In the previous one we had a function called hello, and the input is only one value, that is name, which is string here. But in this case our sum of two will take two values, so that's why we need to pass a list of data types. So it is number and number. And after that, what is the output that we're expecting? The output that we're expecting here is number itself. Okay. So all these things, I mean, I will save it in a variable called interface, or you can name any name actually here. Okay. I just say enter here. Okay. After that, we just need to do enter dot launch, LAUNCH. And now let's run this one. It will take a couple of seconds because it has to start the server actually. And after starting the server, it has to bind everything. See, now you've got the beautiful web app here. And see here, we have input for A and B. I will give 100 here and here 900. Let's submit the value. See, we got the output as 1000. Pretty easy, right? Pretty easy, guys. Okay. And one more thing, so if you read this comment here, right, if you want to share this application, okay, if you want to share this beautiful, amazing application with your friends, you cannot do it right now because you are running this in your local system. But the beauty of this thing is the video, you just have to mention this parameter to the launch. Okay, what it will do is it will actually deploy your application on Hugging Face servers, and it will give you a public URL which will be available for next 72 hours. Okay, let's run this application one more time. And yes, see, now it is a local URL. If you want to check, you can use this one locally, and this is the public URL. You see here, this URL will be available for 72 hours. That means your application will be running for 3 days on Hugging Face servers for free without any cost, and that too the single, okay, with a single parameter to your launch function. Okay, let's open this one and let's see, I mean, whether it is actually working on this public URL. See here, 56141 on radio.app. It's taking a while, but that's okay. Maybe it's because of my network issue, or yeah. See here, you got the application up and running here, right? So now let me type some values here and hit the submit button. So it is, we got the output, boom, right? It's pretty good, get, and it's pretty easy to develop machine learning applications using Gradio. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, please like and share with your friends. And one more time, I mean, if you want to know more about Gradio, please check out their documentation, and it's pretty amazing, guys. That's all I like to share in this video. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care.